Hope you all are doing good. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. Let's see what is the energy update for you. What does the spirits wants to convey through me? What are the channel messages for you? This is going to be a timeless energy check, energy update. It doesn't matter whenever you are going to see it. It is meant to find you when it is supposed to find you. All right, so let's see. And let's see what are their current thoughts and feelings. You already know the drill. Connect to my energies by liking this particular video and drop I claim in the comments section. All right, now let's see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you. Take 3 deep breaths. Think about your person right now while I'm channeling the messages. Hit the like button again to connect to my energies and drop I claim in the comment section. Let's see. What are the current thoughts and feelings of your partner? What has happened in the past? What is happening in the present, and what is going to happen in the near future? What actions are they going to take? Okay, the first two cards that came out today is the Four of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. Something tells me over here that, guys, one of you is definitely having sleepless nights because you really don't know what's happening with your person. Your person seems to be like off right now. Few of you feel that the energies are quite blocked, as if they are hiding something. They are not sharing exactly what they are feeling. What do they feel about you? What do they feel about this particular connection? Where exactly this particular connection is going forward? I also feel that there are some blocked up energies. Probably a person has blocked you. In the recent past, I see Lovers, which tells me that there was a mad love between you both. Deep love, mad love, true love between you both, because I do see it's a twin flame connection over here. Okay, maybe dealing with a Gemini here. Okay, a strong Gemini, strong Gemini. I just said Taurus, maybe a Taurus as well, who's watching this particular video right now. But I do see that all of a sudden now you feel very blocked up. You feel very heavy in your chest, in your heart, as if your person is hiding something from you, and you really don't know. You are not able to figure it out. For few, I also hear that probably a person has blocked you. Is it? Has your person blocked you by any chance, guys? Few of you, not all of you. The High Priestess. Your intuitions are telling you something right now. Your intuitions are guiding you. Your person seems to be very close to their mother. Your intuitions are guiding you. It seems like your person is like very, very emotional about you. Okay, but something is definitely happening. Probably the mother's influence is there, because of which you are having sleepless nights, and because of their mother's influence or a lady figure influence, they may have taken a break, or they may have pushed you away. But this particular connection is bound to happen. Let me tell you that. Okay, there are road blockages, there are delays, but the connection will happen. They seem to be coming forward after a major halt, after a delay. Whatever is happening right now or in the recent past has happened. Do not worry about it. Just give them some space to think, because if they are getting influenced by some lady figure, that lady figure will not be able to influence them for very long. They are going to come. It will happen with a lot of delays and road blockages, but eventually they will take an action. They will come forward towards you slowly and gradually. I see fights because of whatever things have been happening in your life between you and them. I see fights happening. I see a lot of internal conflicts. I see a lot of people getting involved in this particular connection, which is making it really difficult for you guys to actually see eye to eye with each other. and it has created a lot of misunderstanding, a lot of ruckus in your situation. With the Two of Wands, I do see that they see a future with you, you see a future with them, they see a future with you. But the problem is that right now, even though you both see a future with each other, the problem over here is that because of the outside people getting involved, because of people getting too much involved, even if nobody is involved, I do see that internal conflicts and the fights are happening so often that all of a sudden you guys are, right now standing at the crossroad, okay, and wondering whether you guys have taken the right decision. Am I the right person for this person, or is she the right person for me, or is he the right person for me? Are we going to stay happy? Are we going to stay uh, the way we ever thought that we are going to be? Are we going to be the couple we all ever thought that we are going to be? So these are the questions which are popping up in your mind right now. With the Three of Pentacles, yet again I see that you both need to work right now. Whatever situation, whatever problem that you guys are facing, this will not go on your own. You guys have to communicate, and you guys have to communicate very strongly with each other, because the Three of Pentacles tells me somewhere down the line this requires a teamwork, okay. The efforts needs to be put, and the efforts needs to be put from both the parties, not only from one person. Let me tell you that, okay. Be very clear. It's not like that you are putting efforts and the other person is not putting in efforts. Both of you have to put in efforts to receive the desired results, and you have to take the action really quick. You may have to initiate the conversation if right now you guys are going through a conflict, major emotional dramas in your relationship. I would say, in case if you've been going through something which is disturbing you right now, and because of which there are a lot of fights, then you are the one who needs to take a step, but not an impulse, okay. This is also warning me, not an impulse. Think through it, what exactly you want, how important this person is. Are you ready if they leave you, or are you ready to leave this connection? If the answer is no, then you have to handle this situation very calmly, very patiently, and you have to be very careful while doing that. The Two of Pentacles tells me that right now, even there may be thoughts that I have to move on, I have to do this, blah 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 blah, but I do see that even after getting those thoughts, you are still very confused and you're still very much juggling right now. So it's not something that I would suggest that out of impulse you take a decision and then all of a sudden you realize, oops, what did I do? I'm not able to stay away from my person. Because majority of the times what I see when people come to me, the funny situation is that they are the one who blocked, they are the one who asked for a no contact, they are the one who broke up with their person, and then they are getting the spell work done, they are getting readings done on daily basis, and they are getting anxious. So please don't be in such situation. Please don't do any such thing wherein you yourself will start facing issues. If you're not able to release that person from your life, then why do you even go ahead and give that kind of a choice to them or to yourself? All right, so stop juggling. Then we have Nine of Wands. That tells me that there are so many things. I feel that somewhere down the line you are guarded, they are guarded, both of you have your walls up high right now. Why do you guys have your walls up high? You need to actually discuss, you need to discuss it out, you need to discuss it with patience, with calmness, because I feel that in the recent past, because of so many misunderstanding, fights, conflicts, or even if there are outside people involved, you guys have fought a lot, and because of those impulsive steps that you have taken or impulsive choices that you have made, it has made your connection even worse. So now it's up to you what you want to do. You want to improve the situation, send them a message, or probably just wait it out for 2-3 days. They may send you a message, one of these two, if they don't, right? So sort it out, because I don't see a breakup happening between you and your person. It's just that there are a lot of ego clashes, misunderstandings, tussles that you guys are going through right now. And obviously, by the way guys, today is new moon, okay, and apart from that we have 8/8 portal. You know what is 8/8 portal? 8th of August portal. That's once in a year. when the veil is very thin between between the world and the heaven, between us and the heaven, the spirit, the spiritual veil is very thin on that particular day. It has already started, the window has already started, at least 10 to 12 days window it is. Okay, so in case if you've been feeling very heavy, very burdened, and all of a sudden you're feeling, something negative is going on within you, and you feel very aloof, and you feel very different, you don't feel happy and in touch with you anymore, then understand you have to take care of your emotions right now. Do not do anything out of impulse, because this is just a phase, and you'll go, you will just pass over it. And by the way, guys, my bookings for 8/8 portal, which is, by the way, once in a year, any kind of manifestation, spell work, or healing work done on that particular day gives you good, very good boosted result, because it's a once in a day, once in a year portal. Like I said, the veil, the veil between our world and the spiritual world, the heaven, the doors of the heavens opens up that day, and the veil, spiritual veil, is very thin. So whatever manifestation work, spiritual work, whatever spell work and healing work that we do, that gets amplified and received faster. So I am running a discount for the early bird, 10% off if you book it right now. And once I have my 10 slots booked, post that, there will be no discount. So do the booking ASAP for the spell work and healing work. And in this particular situation, if there is a third party, go for the 7 days or 21 days third party removal. 21 days love combo. If you don't have that much budget, go for the 3 days mini love combo. Go for love reconciliation communication to reconcile and make the communication sweeter between you and your person for 7 days. Or 7 days love obsession and intimacy passion spell, or 7 days marriage commitment spell, or 21 days, whatsoever you feel like that you want to. Obviously, the more the better. The more energy work will go, the more faster it will be received, or intensity will be high. Okay, so I do see that, what should I say? If you have been following tarot from a very long time, then we have Two of Cups here. Okay, I see a soulmate connection. I see a twin flame connection. I see a connection which is carried forward from your past life. This person is definitely from your past life, and somebody who is definitely meant to be with you. You guys are meant to be with each other. I've sensed that, this particular connection is meant to happen. Nobody can break this. Conflicts, misunderstanding, people can delay it, can make the situation worse. Negativity can crop up, but at the end of the day, you guys are soulmates. You guys will reunite. The only thing is that these things will create hindrances and delays in your connection. Okay, and none of you will be able to move on. I see you guys are stuck, completely stuck on each other, and I see that, like I said, you guys are each other's wish fulfillment. If ever you manifested somebody, it was them. They manifested you, you manifested them, and the wish fulfillment is just around the corner, guys. Okay, with the Six of Pentacles, I feel that there has been a imbalance in the give and take, but now is the time when the imbalance is also going to get balanced in the give and take. So your person is going to make put in efforts, you are going to put in efforts, and in the coming, just when I said that, see 8/8 portal, and we have magician, we have the spells. Probably you have already booked a spell work with me, or you have got the spell work through me done, or you are thinking to book a spell work with me right now, and the results are going to pay off. Trust me, guys. This particular situation actually needs a spell work right now, because if you are looking for a commitment and a happily forever with your person, then this is it. 10 of Pentacles. Your person's family, your partner's family, your family will immediately switch, and they are going to support you and your partner. In case if they haven't been supporting you and your partner, or their parents haven't been supporting you, go for the 7 days of marriage approval spell work, okay, from parents. Seven of Pentacles, again, you have waited long enough. Now's the time when you can make things happen. 8-8 portal, guys, 8-8 portals. Trust me, the buzz is true. The internet right now, spiritual world is buzzing because of 8-8 portal. And trust me, guys, I personally manifested so many things on 8th of August 2024. Okay, and right now I'm in 2025. Trust me, I have received it all, and it was beautifully, magically, it was given to me. Obviously it was not within few days, it took a while. I waited, I trusted, I waited, I let go, I surrendered to the universe, and I got each and everything I had manifested last year on 8-8 portal. All right, so this is a magical day. Trust me, it is a magical day. All right, whatever overwhelming emotions you have been going through, everything, okay, everything will be healed. Whatever things have been weighing you down, your person down, or your connection down, everything will be healed. And I see the emotions will be controlled, and you guys will start working towards taking a practical decision which will lead to a celebration. You guys catching up, reunion, celebration with friends and family. And I see either you apologizing if you said something, or they apologizing to you, coming up with a love offer, a proposal. For few of you, I even hear engagement, and the action is coming fast. The action is coming soon. Get the spell work done, guys, to fasten this particular process, and trust me, you will get results. Otherwise, you're gonna regret. All right, guys, so that's about it, and thank you so much. I'm gonna see you again in yet another live session, and or in yet another video. And in case if you haven't followed me, subscribed me, do not forget to do that, because I come online and I do come otherwise as well. I do come on online on Instagram. If you haven't subscribed me on Instagram, do that. If you haven't subscribed me on YouTube, I do come there as well. Link is in the description. All right, so thank you so much, and I'm going to see you later. Bye bye.